Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a morning skincare routine and kind of a get ready with me for my working days. I am going to the office today, so I thought I would show you guys the process of what I do in the morning. So this is my face waking up. See, there's still spot treatment from last night that didn't rub off, which I'm kind of impressed. So in the morning, I go through pretty rigorous morning skincare routine. I can't lie, it's pretty aggressive, but I'm trying to achieve this what's it called, glass skin. So in the morning I use the Clé de Peau gentle cleanser or cleansing milk, and I would just put it onto my Foreo and cleanse through my face. Let it, turn it on. I used to be definitely the type of person who just cleanses your face with water in the morning, but considering how much shit I put onto it at night, like all that moisturizer, serums and everything, you really do have to cleanse your face in the daytime. And then rinse. So pat dry. Okay, on to this shit. So first up, tone. So I'm using the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I'm obsessed with Fresh right now. I have been using it for the past couple months, and just apply it to my hand and all over my face and neck. But yeah, there's so many Fresh products that I'm using, it's actually crazy, but so good. Okay, after toner, this is a new step that I've added to my day and night, but I'm obsessed. It is the essence, and I'm using the black tea kombucha, and I love it. It smells so good. And this is basically to prep your skin, so a few drops in your hand for moisturizers. Both the toner and the essence. It's the same thing, but this smells so good. I could bathe in this, truly. Okay, after that, I would go in with a hyaluronic acid. Right now I'm using the Ordinary one. It is amazing. Honestly, hyaluronic acid is so important, guys. Collagen reproduction in your face is important. Like, no wrinkles, man. I'm trying to get ID'd at the liquor store for the rest of my life. So a few drops, and same thing, work it into my skin, in my forehead. No forehead wrinkles. Like, I raise my eyebrows and it's just like right here, but no forehead lines, and I am 28 years old. No Botox yet. Impressed. We are going to go in with a moisturizer. So I am using the Shiseido Day Cream. I really, really like it. There is an SPF in it. Oh, I didn't even know that because I still put sunscreen in. So I put the moisturizer in my hand, about this much. And then right now I've just recently started using the Avena Glow Max Glow infusion drops. Like I said, I'm trying to achieve this glass skin, so anything that tells me it's going to give me a glow, I'm in. So you can add it to your favorite moisturizer, or you can use it by itself. So I'm gonna add it to my favorite moisturizer and just work it into my face. Oh, cute. In my hair. My hair wants to glow too. So then I go in with eye cream. You can't forget eye cream. I do suffer from a little bit of dark circles, as you guys can see, and they kind of stay the same, but they do get worse when I'm lacking sleep. But this is it at its like usual. It's not bad. It's not good. I could use or go on without it. And then my final step is sunscreen. So for sunscreen, I use two religiously. So I use the SkinCeuticals one and the Shiseido one. Let's just continue with Shiseido. They're both 50, SPF 50. But I think the Shiseido one I've used in the summertime. I've used this one like much more over the years. And yeah, it's water resistant, that's why, because I sweat a lot in the summer. So a little bit of sunscreen. So important, guys. Don't forget your sunscreen. Whoa. And voila. So in the morning, normally I would use the fresh sugar scrub, fresh sugar lip caramel hydrating balm, but I also sometimes use the Laneige overnight lip mask in the morning because I love it so much. But this one smells like food. It smells like candy. And here I am, ready for makeup. So I moved this party to the living room because most times when I'm up in the morning, Daryl's still sleeping and I'm making a ton of noise in the bathroom. So also there's natural light in our living room and there's no natural light in the bathroom. For work makeup, it really depends. Sometimes I have really long days and I'm on the road all day, and then I have an event in the evening, so I'll do a more full coverage look that'll last throughout the day. And if not, if I'm just going to work in the office or on the road and then gonna be home in the afternoon or in the evening, then I will just do like concealer, something a little lighter. But today I am going to be in the lab at the office and then going out for dinner with a couple of my friends, so I will not be going home, so it'll be a little more full coverage day for this girl. So yeah, Milk's Blur Stick to blur my big ass pores. Just kidding, my pores are not big. This acne scar needs to chill the fuck out though. Okay, so I've been using the Hourglass Vanish foundation and I fucking love it. It is so good. So right now I'm actually in between colors because I'm white, need a vacation, I'm so pale, so pale, but still have a little pigmentation because I'm yellow naturally. So I'm mixing two colors. For like a month I was getting non-stop foundation in my PR packages, and I don't really wear foundation that much, so all of my friends got a lot of foundation. But yeah, I do need a friggin' tan so badly. It's like hectic. I'm starting to look sick. But we are not going on vacation anytime soon, unfortunately. Anyway, see, yeah, super full coverage. Obsessed. I'm using the NARS concealer, which is the best concealer ever. Don't debate me, it's true. These are facts. And this brush that Hourglass gave me with their Vanish foundation is amazing. Normally I use a blender, beauty blender, for my concealer, but this brush is just my favorite thing. It makes everything look so natural. And guys, I'm not a makeup person by any means. This is just the makeup that works for my face. But see how glowy? Fake glass skin. So then contour, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronzing Glow. I'm obsessed. It is quite used and abused. And my nose. So before, I go back and forth actually with nose contour, from powder to like the cream contour. Normally I use the Benefit Hulu contour stick, which I'm obsessed with. I've been using that for years. And then I go back and forth, like I'll go get my makeup done by somebody or be on a set and someone's doing my makeup, and they'll be, if I'm using powder, of course they're going to use the cream contour, or if I'm using cream contour, they're gonna start using the powder, and then I'll be like, oh my gosh, it looks so natural and so nice, and then I'll start using it. I'm a sucker. I am the type of person who buys into all the marketing schemes. Lash brush, not the same effect, unfortunately. So I'm using the Lancome Brow Densify powder in medium brown, and I honestly wish I was like those makeup gurus who could do like insane intense eyebrows. I'm just not that guy. I have really thick brows, but like they're very light at the beginning and the end. I got them microbladed a few years ago and I've never gotten them touched up. They were really nice at the beginning for sure. I feel like if I kept them touched up, I would have continued. I mean, I would have loved them, but they faded, and then I moved to like a weird gray color, and I hated that. So I was like, you know what, no, who cares? And I felt that even after microblading, aside from maybe the first month or two, I was still filling in my brows. And the idea, I thought, I'm really here for ease. So I thought that if I'm doing my microblading, I'm not going to be filling in my brows. So if I'm going to do that and then fill in my brows, we're just going to pass on that whole shebang. This is my favorite thing, and I honestly think it's limited. Yeah, it's the L'Oreal Paris Camilla Cabello collab. It's the brow gel. I'll go in and fake stroke some brow hairs. And it's okay if it looks like shit, because I'll go over it with a brow gel after. And then I'll go in with also another limited edition. I need to stop loving limited edition products, but this is the L'Oreal Isabelle Marant collab brow gel. And flick these bad boys up. Now I wish they would stay up. My brows are so Asian. You know, like Asian hair has a mind of its own. Like I have a cowlick. It does whatever the fuck it wants. It does not matter. I could perm it. I could super glue it down, and it'll still, if it wants to be up, it'll be up. So those are my brows. Like if it wants to be up, they'll be up. They don't give a shit about how I feel about anything. All right, moving on to my eyes. So I do, as you guys have seen if you follow me on Instagram, this same eye look, like the same 3 eye looks. I either do my wing liner with a fake lash, or I do no liner with a natural fake lash, because I have 0 lashes. Like these are sad. Or I do a smoky eye with a fake lash. So today, most days for work, I do the wing liner and I put a fake lash on. So I use, this is OG MAC everything. This is MAC Paint Pot in the Dip Down Brown. This is the best eyeliner, the best like cream liner. You would think that I've been doing this for 10 freaking years, I would get it right, but I don't. Like every time is a surprise. Sometimes it looks bomb, sometimes it looks like shit. I can't wait to watch this video back and see the fucking faces I make when I do my eyeliner. So after this, I do my bottom mascara first, and then I do my top mascara after. So I'm using the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes. I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. First of all, the packaging, everything Pat McGrath, amazing. I wish I used more elaborate makeup so I could buy like her palettes and shit, but I don't. Eyeshadow is lost on me unless it's like neutral. And I've seen other people use this line or this mascara and like build, and it looks amazing on them, but again, I don't have lashes, so it cannot look amazing on me. I used to do eyelash extensions, and honestly, kudos to all of you guys who do eyelash extensions. I can't. I wipe my face, I rub my face in my sleep. Like I aggressively rub my eyes. So I would wake up and all of the pieces would be on my pillow. It was, one, disgusting, and two, just a waste of money. So I stopped doing that. I even tried to do it, get lash extensions on holidays, and it looks so good because you're tanned and you really don't have to wear any makeup. It's basically like gloss and a little bronze or a little blush to do that like flushed look. And I still rubbed them all off my eyes, and it was hard to do anything. Like, we were jet skiing and my lashes were like flying everywhere and it was hurting my eyes, so I don't do that anymore. Okay, so I just got this NARS palette in the mail like last week. It's amazing. Like I said, everything nude. Palettes are lost on me unless they're nude, and these colors are love. As you can see, I've dipped into most of them. I think there's only one color that I haven't tried yet, but the blush is so cute and perfect. And the highlighter. Yeah, and now I just need a little lip color and then some hairspray, and we're done. Okay, for lipstick, I had to go find my little lip pouch. These are all the lip colors that I wear, and a tampon, just in case, you know. My favorite lip combo ever. This is, you could do it with any nude, but the MAC half and half. Like, everybody asks me about this combo. Everybody. So it's a little dark, but then you do any nude, and normally I would do a Japanese maple, but I lost it last weekend at the club. And yeah, this is the best nude combo ever. But like I said, it's normally MAC half and half and then MAC's Japanese maple on top, and it is so good. This is pretty close, but like I said, any nude would work. And then my hair just needs a little hairspray. All right, so let's find something to wear now. Okay, so for work, I'm dressed, and like I said, I'm going to dinner with my girlfriends. Okay, so I went with this black turtleneck, like sleeveless turtleneck, and these black front zip leggings and some pumps. And for the office, I just put on a boyfriend blazer, you know, it's for work appropriate. But then when I go to dinner with my girlfriends, I could take it off. So yeah, thank you guys for getting ready with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again next week.